Day 6 of Navratri shines in gray, a color of balance, sophistication, and quiet strength. And since it's Saturday, when most offices take a break, gray is the perfect choice for relaxed celebrations, casual meetups, or festive gatherings, keeping your style effortless yet refined. For women, choose a gray kurta with palazzos, or a flowy long skirt, or even a gray polo t-shirt with denims, or a soft gray sari with minimal detailing for an elegant touch. For men, a white kurta with pajamas and a gray jacket, or a smart polo t-shirt with denims, or a steel gray shirt with black pants, keeps the look sharp and refined. Keep it festive yet simple. Style it with accessories you love and pair it with ethnic footwear like kolhapuris, jutis, or patani sandals for the perfect mix of tradition and ease. For women, opt for a matte base with nude, or pink, or red lipstick and a hint of kohl for defined eyes. Men can keep it professional with a clean shave or a neatly groomed beard, finished with a subtle musky cologne. On day 6 of Navratri, gray reminds us that subtlety is powerful. This timeless shade brings elegance, confidence, and balance, perfect for celebrating with style while keeping it effortlessly refined. Let's celebrate each color together, day by day.